Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gusto Payroll, manage payruns and taxes step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Gusto Payroll. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Gusto homepage. On the homepage, locate the Login button typically found at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to access the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Gusto account. Next, click on the Next button. Now, enter your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your email and password, click the Sign In button. You may be asked to complete a two-factor authentication step if it's enabled. Check your email or authentication app for the verification code. Enter the code in the required field and click Verify. After successful login, you will be taken to your Gusto dashboard. From the dashboard, you can manage pay runs by selecting the Payroll option. Click on Run Payroll to start a new pay run. Follow the prompts to input employee hours and salaries. Review the payroll details for accuracy before proceeding. Once everything looks correct, click on the Submit button to finalize the pay run. To manage taxes, navigate to the Taxes section from the dashboard. Here, you can view current tax filings and manage settings. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues with tax submissions. Finally, log out when you are finished to protect your account. To log out, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu to securely exit your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.